Alright guys, long time no see. Obviously I've not really done much again, bit of a letdown really, but also I don't know if the UK people know we've had snow, it's been cold, it's been horrible basically. First day it's actually reasonably warm-ish, or like 7 degrees, but it feels lovely. I don't know if you can see, but little Bobby is the first time I've ever been up here. I was going to just give it a little tidy up today because it's an alright bomb site, I'll show you in a second. But it's your first time up here, isn't it? Yeah. Good boy. Oh. So yeah, and the plan today is I want to try and get the diff out, and just to see what the problem with is that, and just general tidy up really, nothing fancy. I've not got too long, but I thought I'd just let you a little update. So I'll see you in a second. Yeah, so the plan is really just to give it a tidy up because I don't know if you can see, there is actually crap everywhere. You come around here, I mean you've got like all these, I've got a table, random thing, it's just a mess. What else we got? Tyres should be up there. So yeah, the plan is to give it a little quick tidy. What I need to do, well, the desks are all, but what I need to do is, hopefully in a month or so when it gets warmer, I'm going to try to get everything out and then go through it and just bin stuff and then bring it back in because it's a mess. But yeah, so I'll get on with the back axle. I won't bother you showing you much really, maybe when I've taken some bits off I'll show you a bit more. But yeah, so yeah, see you in a second. I've got this slide hammer, check the way Bobby, that I made when I took the half shafts off last time. It's basically a bit metal and that's an old starter motor that I used. The other side, when I tapped them with the hammer, they just come out because obviously they've not been in there long, so I guess they weren't seized tight. This one's a bit tougher, so I'm going to have to have a go at this quickly this one. Easy peasy. Well, I've removed both the half shafts. There's no damage to the half shaft end. Don't know if it'll focus at all. It's all pretty good. One thing I've got to do is replace these stupid, whatever they're called, bolts and the normal bolts because these are a nightmare. There's no damage in here or anything. So yeah, time to move the diff and to go from there. Alright guys, so yeah, I got the diff off. It turns out that one of the welds on the plate that's been welded in to weld the diff has broken. And like that inner cog there kind of moves. I would show you, but it's too dark and it's impossible, you can't see it, so it's pointless. But yeah, so that's obviously the issue. I've got a friend that has a bigger welder, so hopefully I'm going to get him to go over it. I'm going to try and clean it up and get him to go over it because obviously mine wasn't good enough, I guess. I've never welded a diff before, I thought it was up to the standard, but obviously not. Yeah, so that's basically where we're at. I know I've not done much in the last few months. Hopefully I'll try and do some more now that the winter has kind of passed and it's slowly getting warmer and warmer and I get some time up here. And the dog a bit more can come up here now, he's old enough. He's getting better with his training and all that. Aren't you, Bobby? Bobby? What are you doing? So, yeah, so that's basically it, really. So yeah, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll try and get another video out soon, so cheers.